Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at some of those three important coins that you can buy, and you'll be able to cash out your profit in the next 24 hours to 48 hours. All right, I've dropped some coin in the past, and a lot of people made a rational profit from it. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So all you need to do is for you to have a verified Bybit account as usual, and make sure your Bybit account is available to trade. All right, so let's quickly dive into that without a waste of time. Actually, you know, I'm a fan of these coins. We have Bonks, and also we have Pump, and also we have Hcoin / USDT, which is one of my best, and which is the first coin I will talk about today, because those people who have been following me up on this very coin have been making a lot of profit. And my most advice I used to give to my esteemed subscriber is that do not be greedy. Each time you see an opportunity, cash out and wait for another opportunity. Each time you see profit, make sure you take your profit and wait out for another opportunity. So looking at it from this Hcoin, you can see how far and how good this Hcoin has been doing for the past 48 hours. Okay, this has actually been doing well. So before everything, I would like to quickly dive into it and invest on it on my own. Maybe I'm just gonna go into like use 50 USD on this, 50 USD on this. So I'm gonna go into like invest on it like right now, which I just did. Okay, I've invested just 50 USDT to this very coin right now. So all you just need to do is to watch this coin carefully and make sure you invest before the time goes. And if you are from among those who have been cashing out from my profit in the past few days, please drop it in the comment section so that we know that yes, this is really working out for some people. Okay, so before you do this again, you must have to like come to this place to click on data. To click on data, let's see what will be the fate of this particular coin in the nearest time. Okay, so we're gonna go into like come to this place to click on data. If we click on data, we're gonna go in to see how those data have been doing, how many people are the investors, and how many people are currently leaving the market. Okay, I'm gonna go into like make a particular video concerning this very analysis so that you can just be using it to like making money for yourself. Okay, so all right, so you can see currently, you can see the number of the inflow here. You can see the total inflow is over 1 million, which is 1,258,908 USDT. Okay, and you can see the outflow here. The outflow here is 1,039,194 naira. Okay, 0.10 kobo. You can see the number of the inflow now. The number of the inflow is far greater than the number of the the outflow. Okay, that is, a lot of people are currently buying this coin, which, you know, each time a lot of people indulge in buying a lot of coins, you know, that coin has a very high potential to rise. Even though it's not going to pump, but it will definitely rise, and you're going to go into like make a rational profit from it. Okay, so that is it. This is actually a quick class, a quick video for you to be able to trade. It's like a signal opportunity for you to be able to trade and make money from it. Okay, so the second one I want us to look at, which I've already invested, is Pump. You can see the Pump is having already 11 million inflow and also over 11 million outflow also. But in terms of the 100, yes, up here. But in terms of the outflow, is a bit greater than the inflow. But this is to believe that a lot of people are still coming in and a lot of people are still selling. But in the nearest time, a lot of people are still people that are coming in, that is the inflow, are still going to be greater than people that are going out. Okay, so you just have to like seize this opportunity and buy your crypto coin in order for you to wait maximum 24 hours, maximum 48 hours, sorry, and you will cash out your profit. So you will cash out your profit even in the nearest time, and you'll be able to make something rational for yourself. Okay, so that is it for Bonk. Okay, that is it for Bonk. And you can see also I have invested in Bonk, and also waiting out to cash out some profit for myself. All right, so all you just need to do is to watch out these 3 coins. I just mentioned 2, right? Okay, let's quickly see the third one. The third one from this coin is what we call the palm. Okay, the palm. Now you can look at it. What is the inflow of the pump, and what is the outflow of the pump? The inflow and the outflow of the pump has a very big difference. The inflow of the pump is over 432 million. Okay, and the outflow of the pump is just 305, over 305 million. You can see there. This is the inflow, this is the outflow. Okay, you can see the greenish part is more than the bearish part. All right, so this is the third coin I will want you to invest on and make something for yourself. I must actually have to apologize for the noise coming from the background. Okay, so just be attentive, and you understand the video, and you also be able to make something for yourself. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.